All right, guys, it is Lifting Titan with We Are Realms Gaming, and I'm going to do a video, maybe 2 or 3, in preparation for my midterm, kind of explaining some of the code I have been writing in preparation for my midterm in C++. Again, if you guys want to follow me on GitHub, here is my GitHub, github.com/mdsusco, and let's go ahead and hop into the code. So my partner is actually a chef, and he is in graduate school right now. And just to practice file input and output and reading things from a file and, loops and nested loops and all that other good stuff, I decided to, this is basically a program to open a recipe from a .text file, reformat and convert ingredients as needed, then output to a .text file. So this is the basic text file, basic bread.txt, has the recipe name, the chef name, the ingredients with the grams, and then the directions. So I went ahead and just in case I need to do some math, I did include the math.h, but it has the file stream, the .io manip, the string, and the IO stream. I then went ahead and declared the variables, and since a lot of these are strings, I have a lot of string variables in this one. I went ahead and then went in here and opened the file, and to keep naming easy, I just put the file variable as file for this basic bread text. This is then checking if the file opened correctly. Open and check the file, so if not file didn't open correctly, it will give you the error. It's then going to ask the user if you want to convert the recipe or not. So whether you want to have it, quarter it, basically going to put in an amount and a double for there. And then I have it branching off to convert. So I have a if statement here, seeing if the user input either an uppercase Y or lowercase y. Enter the amount to convert, half, to half, type in 0.5, to quarter, type in 0.25, to double, type in 2.0. And then it basically converts the recipe. Basically, the code down here is going to be all of the same, and there is some fix me's in here while I'm still working on this. So to start out, I actually just started with basically all of this up here, and then I started with the recipe name and chef name. So the get recipe name is going to get the line from the file and assign it the variable recipe name, as well as the chef name with some editing. It's then going to get some of the ingredients, and it's basically going to read through the file until it finds the next blank new line. So while file is open, it's looking for ingredient name and then ingredient amount. And then basically while it's not failing, it's going to print to the output ingredient name with a dash to the amount to G. And this is going to be the conversion amount. So this is for if you wanted to convert the recipe. Then I need to actually fix this. So it is actually cutting off the preheat right here if I don't have that. I need to figure out why, but for right now, just to get it to work, I modified some of it a little bit. I need to go in here and do a workaround. This basically clears out any errors that are in the file. And then it's going to print the directions with a number that is incremented per direction step. So we initialize I to 1, and then it's while the program is getting every line in the directional line, it is then going to print out. So if we go ahead and run this really fast, would you like to convert the recipe? Let's just say no. And it gives you the recipe here. So as you guys can see, it took basically very basic data, right? And it formatted it nice and neat right there. If you did want to convert, let's say you only wanted half, so 0.5, it would then spit out all of the proper ingredients. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will do an update video once I have more and can output it to a text file. I did just want to share this. And then at the very bottom, it does close the file. And the other else branch is pretty much the same as this top one, just without the conversion. Thanks for tuning in.